So let's really quick talk about frame rate before we get into ISO and whatnot. The thing about frame rate is that you really want to set that first. That's really the first thing you want to set, mostly because it depends on the project you're shooting. If you're shooting 24 frames per second, or if you're shooting 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. We had talked about frame rate before. The big thing is, though, when you're shooting a higher frame rate, more frames are really passing in front of your lens, right? Which means they're in front of your lens for less amount of time, which means they're going to get light much less. Right? So back in the days with film moving through 24 frames per second, 24 frames per second, let's up the frame rate to 60 frames per second, right? It's moving faster, which means there's less time for light to hit the frame, which means you need more light. So as you adjust the frame rate on your digital camera, you're gonna lose light the higher the frame rate goes up. 24, 23.98, you're fine. As you start to move up to 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second, on some cameras will shoot 300 frames per second, you're gonna start to lose a ton of light. So if you start to shoot higher frame rates, remember you're gonna need a fast lens, probably a camera with a higher ISO, and you're gonna need to pump in a ton more light.